Welcome to Harvesting Power Tech. Today, we're taking you on an exciting journey of agricultural vehicle rescues. Get ready to see the world's best drivers, showcasing their talent and bravery as they face every challenge. And you won't want to miss it. Let's dive right in. When the MTZ-80 tractor gets stuck in the muddy forest, it's not an uncommon situation in logging work. Sometimes the gearbox gets jammed, and the wheels can't move, leaving everything seeming hopeless. But in these tough moments, the Perilous tractor steps in as a reliable companion with its power and durability. The Perilous helps overcome the mud's challenges, pulling the MTZ-82 out of trouble and back on track. Forestry tractors are a true testament to strength and durability. When faced with muddy ground and slippery roads, Valtra stands firm. The wheels dig deep into the earth, each movement steady and sure on the toughest terrain, ensuring that logging work continues without a hitch. This is why these tractors are always trusted in forestry operations. She handle the harshest conditions with ease. For a 3-axle truck hauling eucalyptus logs. From the mountains to the foothills, every journey is a tough challenge. The road is marked with deep tire tracks, evidence of the truck's struggle. Against the rugged terrain, the truck often gets stuck. But for the transporters here, it's just part of the job despite the hardships. They press on, fighting to survive and make a living in their homeland.
Câu chỗ này mọi người. Khói đen xì luôn.
Can you imagine a machine that can effortlessly pull a truck through the toughest muddy terrain? That's the Cat 320, a true powerhouse with 345 horsepower under the hood, built to conquer any challenge. This machine doesn't just pull, it dominates, whether it's thick mud. The Cat 320 clears the way with unmatched confidence. Think of the toughest obstacle, and this machine will make it looked like a stroll in the park. The stuck skidder, much like a buffalo trapped deep in the mud, seems almost swallowed by the thick layers. Rescuing it in this situation is a real challenge, as the sinking point is too deep to see clearly, even with the excavator brought in to assist. There's the risk of it getting stuck as well. If not handled carefully, every moment is filled with tension and uncertainty, turning this into a true lesson in strength, patience. The homemade tractor, hauling 8 tons of acacia wood, encountered a muddy road where the steep, slippery terrain of Vietnam's Highlands seemed impassable, but with a blend of creativity and perseverance. The tractor used a winch to pull itself over these obstacles. Every meter of the road posed a challenge, but the combination of a powerful engine and a sturdy winch allowed the vehicle to conquer the slippery slopes and treacherous muddy streams. I have to admit, even a powerhouse like the K700, known for its superior strength and ability to tackle the toughest conditions, has moments when it succumbs to the mud. Despite being equipped with modern, powerful technology, the K700 can still get stuck in thick, relentless mud, unable to free itself. In such moments, help from a companion is essential. Only through the coordination and combined strength of both machines can the K700 break free from the grip of the mud.
Made in USA. Это made in СССР.
The Sankit truck, renowned for its ability to carry heavy loads, faced a challenge when its rear wheels sank deep into the ground, unable to get out of. The situation on its own, the truck needed the help of a bulldozer. The bulldozer not only pushed the truck off the road, but also removed some of the wood to lighten the load, continue its journey. This serves as a valuable lesson for drivers about the importance of managing weight and load distribution. In Indonesia, where harsh challenges are always present, truck drivers transporting timber are constantly battling nature to deliver valuable resources. Despite the tough terrain, the trucks push through, thanks to the flawless coordination of the team, with each person contributing to the unbeatable strength they create together. This is a powerful lesson in bravery, perseverance, and the immense power of teamwork. Transporting heavy loads of wood on steep, winding roads full of dangers. The truck must climb each slope at full throttle. Every step is a challenge, but the winch is always ready to help the truck overcome any obstacle. The drivers of these timber trucks, with their tireless courage, are always prepared to face danger head-on to deliver the precious wood to its destination. Hats off to their tenacity, resilience, and unwavering determination. This video takes you into the heart of challenging rescue situations when our farmer friends find themselves stuck in deep mud. These moments are inevitable in the transport industry. There are times when getting out on your own seems impossible, and you need the help of your colleagues. They're always ready and willing to lend a hand. This is the spirit of solidarity and strength. When we stand together, nothing is impossible. In a moment of intense danger, a fierce battle erupts between two mighty machines, the K700 tractor and the 310 tank. They clash like giant wrestlers in the ring, each machine roaring with power, constantly testing the other's strength. It's a tense, dramatic showdown filled with unexpected twists and thrilling moments that will keep you on the edge of your seat, unable to look away from the screen.
Panzer abgewürgt oder?
I never imagined this would be a logging road for workers. The mud may only be a few centimeters deep, but they have to conquer it every day to transport logs back from the forest. If you lack patience, you'd give up instantly. The mud seems to swallow the wheels whole to survive here. You must be a skilled driver with an unwavering fighting spirit. This road isn't just a test of skill. It's a true test of resilience and determination. The truck carrying timber experienced a side slip, causing it to tilt and putting it at risk of flipping over on the dangerous road. To get the vehicle back on track and continue its journey, it required the powerful assistance of a bulldozer to pull it up the slope. along with a crane to help stabilize it. The flawless coordination between these machines was crucial in helping the truck navigate the harsh terrain, ensuring it could safely continue its journey. Transporting hay bales across the Suro River is no easy feat, but with the power of the DT75 and T150K tractors, combined with a special floating pontoon, no challenge seems too great. The pontoon, repurposed from a floating Army crawler transport ship, transforms the flooded river into a vital traffic route. This method of river transport is not only a practical solution but an essential part of daily life for the people in the Ulyanovsk region. When the logging truck got stuck in the thick snow, the TT4 came to the rescue with its remarkable ability to operate in the toughest terrains. This powerful tractor gave its all to pull the truck out of danger. However, in the face of nature's harshest conditions, even the strongest forces have their limits. Despite their best efforts, the TT4 and the logging truck couldn't overcome the relentless power of Mother Nature.
Ёбана, брат! Ёбана в рот! Тогда можно потом сливать.
A large log is incredibly valuable, but transporting it is no easy feat. Steep mountain roads and muddy terrain make the task extremely difficult. In these moments, bulldozers become essential companions for loggers. With their superior power and high maneuverability, bulldozers don't just help overcome obstacles, they ensure safety and efficiency with every trip, making them indispensable in the logging process. Finally, watch the incredible power of the LKT-81 horse as it effortlessly pulls logs through challenging terrain. And that's it for today's adventure. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss out on the action. Trust me, you don't want to miss what's coming next. The forest awaits, and the next adventure is just around the corner. See you in the next video.